Instagram security code not received. Don't worry, here's the fix. But make sure to watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So right now I have already opened up the Instagram application and you'll be able to see this interface where you have to enter your credentials for logging into your account. So if you forget your password and want to reset it, you have to enter your either email or phone number and you'll be able to get the security code for logging in. But if you are unable to receive the security code, then that may be due to various reasons. So for fixing that, you need to follow this step. So the first step, you have to make sure that you are connected to strong Wi-Fi, or if you are using cellular data, then make sure your network connection is strong. For that, you can simply swipe down the notification panel and see for the connection, and once you make sure that you are connected to strong Wi-Fi or your connection is good, you'll be able to fix your problem. But if you are still unable to fix the problem, then you can go back to your home page and you have to open up to apps, and you can also go through your mobile settings, or it's a shortcut, you can simply press and hold over Instagram and you can go for app info, under which you have to go for the notification and make sure all of the notification over here are turned on. By doing that, you'll be able to get the notification of the security code. You have to go back and you have to once again go for the storage and cache, under which you have to simply clear the cache. By doing that, the Instagram application will be refreshed and you'll be able to fix your problem. You can go back and check once again, you'll be able to get the security code. And if you are still unable to receive that message on your phone, then you have to open up your phone settings and you'll be able to see the apps and notifications. Simply tap over there and you have to go for notifications, under which you have to make sure that the notification of your device is turned on. By doing that, also you'll be able to fix your problem. So this is how you fix your problem in 3 different steps. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any videos on any topics, then you can comment down below. Thanks for watching.